How to turn off sticky keys in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can turn off your sticky keys settings on your Windows. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to your start menu and go to settings. Now, once on settings, you'll find the couple of options on the left side of your screen, and on the bottom side you'll find the option accessibility. Now click on it, and once on accessibility, scroll down and you'll get the option keyboard. Now open it, and here you'll find the option sticky keys. Now simply open it, and here you can toggle off the switch for if you want to turn off the keyboard shortcut for sticky keys, if you want to turn off the taskbar shortcut icon to sticky keys, or any other options. So this way you can turn on or off your sticky keys on Windows 11. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.